Hello and welcome back to the How to Geek Studios. I'm Grizz and today I'm unboxing the Ugreen Nexode 30-watt robot GaN charger. Or to put it simply, robot GaN. Let's dive right in. As we open the box, you'll notice the neatly organized contents demonstrating Ugreen's attention to detail. And of course we have the star of the show, the Nexode 30-watt robot GaN charger. I gotta admit, this little fella's pretty cute. We also have a user manual for easy setup and a high-quality USB-C to USB-C cable. Everything you need for a seamless charging experience. Ugreen describes the robot GaN charger as an ideal charging accessory that combines functionality and fun. This powerful 30-watt charger can charge an iPhone Pro Max from 0 to 55% in just 30 minutes. With its LED display, the charger makes different expressions which correspond to different charging states. And this super fast charge bot can be used for a wide array of devices, such as earbuds, phones, tablets, and even MacBook Air. While I wonder how long it's going to take me to lose his little shoes, I thought this little charge bot was pretty cool. Compact, lightweight, and equipped with gallium nitride GaN technology for faster charging and a smaller form factor. I thought the LED expressions on the display were a bit dim under the studio lights, but at least they won't keep you up at night. I feel like the robot GaN charger would be a big hit with young techies and robot collectors of all ages. That's a wrap for our quick unboxing of the Ugreen Nexode RG30-watt USB-C GaN charger. Thanks for joining me on this unboxing adventure, and make sure to subscribe to the How to Geek newsletter for more tech reviews and unboxings. Until next time, this is Grizz, signing off.